2023 Toyota Tacoma, how to program a smart key using the Launch X431 scanner. Basically, I'm in a 2023 Toyota Tacoma. Here's my new key. Here's the part number. This key is actually on Amazon. I'll link it below. This can also be used for like a 4Runner, Tundra, Sequoia. And also, a quick note, there are these cool cases for these keys that you can get. This one is like a grayish green, but they're on Amazon as well. I'll put a link to them. They're like a heavy duty kind of like protector case, and they just look cool. They got some unique colors, so I'm gonna link those below as well. But all right, enough of that. Last thing, I'm using the Launch X431 scanner. It's a great scanner. It's like $1,000 scanner. That's like around 500 bucks. So I'll link it below, and the tutorial is for this scanner. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in on my scanner, and we're just gonna switch to screen mode. So basically, when you're hooked in, we're going to go to Intelligent Design, or Diagnosis, my bad. It's going to connect, and then we're going to go hit Diagnostic. Okay, so now we're going to go to 16-pin DLC, Europe and other. I'm in America, but if you're in like another country, just hit whatever country you're in. I'm going to go to 2019 and newer. I'm going to go with Smart Key, and then others. I'm going to hit OK. Obviously, if yours has radar cruise, hit radar cruise, but it's not that important. We'll let this load up. Now we're going to go to System Selection. I'm going to go to All Systems real quick, just so you guys can see how many modules this thing can talk to and have control over. Quite a lot. And like I said before, this scanner is like, I think it was like 560 bucks. This thing has access to modules that like even like a nice snap-on scanner doesn't get into. So highly recommend this scanner. I mean, obviously, if you are watching this, you might already have this scanner, but you know, just whatever. We're gonna go to Entry and Start right here, and then we're gonna go to Special Function, and then I go to Key Code Registration Classic. It's just like their classic way to program keys. This will say, you know, this function is going to register a new key. Are you sure you want to do it? You say yes. And then just hit OK. Might prompt you for, the number of keys available. So you should have enough. So this is going to say, touch the ignition switch or the registered key with the emblem facing the switch. So take your old key and put it up to your button with the emblem facing the button. And then after that, it should beep. And then we're going to touch the power button with the new key, put it to the same thing, emblem to the button, and then it should beep. This screen should pop up, and you click on register right here, and then it's just basically going to restart the wizard. And then once it says, you know, back to the beginning, you're good. You could just back out of the menu, and then we're going to go try it out. Go outside, make sure your unlock button work outside the vehicle, make sure your other key is outside of the vehicle too, and then start the vehicle with your new key. Alright guys, well that's it. Hope this video helped you out, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next tutorial. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. Got a 15% off promo code for AutoAuth.com. They got a handful of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket LED headlights. They've been out a few years now, and at first the lights they had were 200% brighter than regular headlight bulbs. Now they've upgraded the tech this year, and now it's 600% brighter. So if you're in the boonies, the suburbs, the city, I highly recommend you upgrade your bulbs. Nothing wrong with having an old car, but you should get with the times and have bright headlights like everyone else. These bulbs are available on Amazon. However, if you go to the Auxito website, that's where I could give you a promo code for 15% off. All you got to do is go to the website, type in your year, make, and model. There's basically products for every car out there, and what kind of light you want. They have all kinds of different lights for interior, exterior, headlights, and then you just browse to what you need and you get it. And then at checkout, you're going to type in Guillermo Auto and then hit apply in the coupon code spot, and it'll take 15% off.